Hello and welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I am going to show you how to download or install Mint app in your device. Mint is a free personal finance management app and website developed by Intuit. Now moving on to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search Mint. There you can see Mint Budget and Track Bills. Tap on it. Then press Install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open Mint app to track your budget and manage your finances. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.